Wealthfront Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Wealthfront is a top-tier robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want automated portfolio management with low fees. It offers tax loss harvesting, automatic rebalancing, and diversified ETF portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. With a $500 minimum investment and a 0.25% annual management fee, it's a cost-effective solution compared to traditional financial advisors. Wealthfront also provides a cash management account with competitive interest rates and no fees, making it a solid option for both investing and saving. One standout feature is its Path financial planning tool, which uses AI-driven insights to help users plan for major life goals like retirement or homeownership. This is ideal for busy professionals, beginner investors, and those who prefer a data-driven algorithmic approach rather than active stock picking. However, it lacks direct human financial advisors, so if you need personalized guidance, this may not be the right fit. Also, while Wealthfront supports crypto exposure through grayscale ETFs, it doesn't allow direct crypto trading. Compared to competitors like Betterment, Wealthfront stands out with its advanced tax strategies, smart beta for higher returns, and the ability to invest in risk parity strategies. But if you're looking for socially responsible investing (SRI) options, Betterment might be a better choice. Wealthfront also offers a portfolio line of credit, allowing you to borrow against your investments at low rates, which can be useful for liquidity without selling assets. The app experience is seamless, with a clean interface, goal-based tracking, and integration with other financial tools. However, customer support is limited to business hours, which can be a downside for those needing urgent assistance. In summary, Wealthfront is best for investors seeking automated, tax-efficient, and low-cost portfolio management. If you value AI-driven financial planning and want an easy, hands-off approach to growing your wealth, it's one of the best options available. But if you need human financial advice or direct stock and crypto trading, you may want to explore other platforms. Wealthfront is a strong choice for tech-savvy investors who want a modern, algorithm-driven investment experience with smart automation and tax optimization. If that sounds like you, it's worth considering.